Hi YouTube, it's Jessica. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do an unboxing for Piping Rock. Piping Rock is a company which I get a lot of my multivitamins in. I know like the past couple months I have had some major health issues, so I went back on doing my vitamins and such, and Piping Rock was a company that I stumbled upon, and it is well worth it. One of the reasons is because of the prices, and they have a lot of sales, and whenever you sign up with them, they will, if you use the link that I provide for you, you get $10 free. And then if you go to like their sales link, because they'll probably send you an email right away, and then go to the sales link and you can get a lot of your vitamins really cheap. And they're good quality as far as I can tell, because when I start feeling bad, then I'll take them. And then, like, one of the products I like to get from them is the Nature's Truth black elderberry extract. And as you see, the unit price on this is $2.49. And so I got 3 of these because they were on sale this month. And when you can get them on sale, it's a really good price. And let's see, what else did I get? Let's start out with the sweet almond oil. This was buy one, get one free. Well, it was supposed to be buy one, get one free. Not sure why that didn't come off. They were supposed to be buy one, get one free. So I've got to contact the company. Because the vitamin E oil was the same way. It was buy one, get one free. So I put 2 in, thinking I would get 2 free, but it says that I ordered 2, and maybe it discounted it. I'll have to go back and look. Maybe their invoice is a little confusing, but maybe that was, maybe they were $5.65 or $4.65 each, and because they were buy one get one free, they reduced them to $2.32 maybe. I don't know. I'll have to go back and look at that, but I was pretty sure those were buy one get one free, and so is the vitamin E oil. The vitamin E oil I use in my a lot of my soap making and bath bombs and things like that, so I like to keep that on hand. And this vitamin E oil was $3.99, and I usually pay $7.99 for a bottle this size. It seems a little bit thinner than the stuff that I get, but for the most part it's... And then I got vitamin C. Vitamin C was $1.99, and I can't even get the buy one get one free deals, and it's the Sundance brand. And this aloe vera juice, I don't drink this. I've never drank it. I use it in my soaping products as well, and so I thought I would try using that. And then Moringa, this is the first time using the Piping Rock brand. I use Moringa, and I can tell a huge difference in just the overall way I feel. And I get over things quicker than I used to before. Even with my new diagnosis of lupus, I still feel like I get over it quicker. So I'm curious to see if this is going to be just as good. Because I usually get the Vita something. I get it on Amazon, and I usually get their brand, but I'm going to try this Piping Rock and see how that goes. But I'm going to leave a link for all this down in the description. And I ordered this, I think, last Friday, and I got it in the mail today. Shipping was $4.95, and they are pretty quick about getting it sent out. I don't know what else to tell you. They have just about everything you could possibly want. Last time I had ordered, and I really wish I had known that they were going to discontinue these. I bought the pink vitamins that have the B12 and L-carnitine in them. My daughter likes those, and I didn't realize that they weren't going to carry them all the time. They were discontinued, and I got those for $2.99. Well, those are $14 a bottle, so I wish I had known. And they say the way you could tell if a moringa is a good tablet or not is if, depending on how green it is. They said if it's brown, don't ever take it. That means the moringa is old and the drying techniques that they used were not good. So, looks pretty good to me. It stinks, but yeah. So, I thought I would share with you, just do a quick video here. So, that's all I've got for today. Thanks for watching.